press record too. Okay, so now it's recording on my local computer at the same time, and I'm talking to you on Discord. It still like seems okay. Does it look okay on your computer?
Look, I'm not looking at anything because I need to sign up to Twitch.
Oh, you need like an account to watch it? Oh, okay.
I was born January 1st, 1901. That's when I'm always born, when I have to fill this dumb shit out.
Oh, this
God,
is weird.
I have to put
like
in my phone number? Use email instead. You should.
Oh, maybe I shouldn't share my my Discord. That's probably
Solve
weird.
this puzzle so we know you're a real person. Pick the mouse that can't reach the cheese. What?
I know, they have some weird stuff. I can't remember what I had to do. I had to do like a sea landing plane. How does this microphone sound, by the way? Is that like sound like a tin can, or is it like okay?
It's a little loud.
Is it?
But it's not the worst.
This is just the built-in speaker in the laptop.
Wait, they can all reach the cheese. Oh, it's this one. Okay. One done. Holy fuck. I have to solve a lot of these puzzles? There's more than... Okay.
Oh, I should pop out just the video part. Okay, that's cool.
Okay. Send me a 6-digit code.
There, you're on my stream. Welcome to the stream.
What the shitting fuck?
I put my stream as mature content because I'm totally gonna fucking swear.
Well, yeah, like, oh, if you're ever gonna have me on your stream, you're gonna fucking... Okay. Start watching. Oh my fucking fuck. Oh, it's delayed.
Mm-hmm.
It's like seriously delayed.
Well, it's for gaming, so it's like got a little bit of a delay so people can't like cheat. I mean, there's also video processing stuff going on in the background.
Okay.
But can you see like me and you on the screen with the app and then me in the corner?
Yep, it's all fine. It's working. Are you recording it?
Does it look like pretty okay quality?
It's good quality. I mean, it's fine quality. Let me make it full screen. Yeah, it's fine.
Okay, that's pretty awesome. Like my computer is like not even hiccuping.
Why should it? I mean, this is normal standard functionality that every computer should.
No, it's not. I'm doing a lot of things at the same time that use a lot of CPU, but I've got like a special. My laptop has a special video encoding chip in it, so it's like hardware accelerated. And I've got fiber optic internet connection, so I have good bandwidth.
Yeah, that's what it should be. I'm also extra angry because I stopped eating in January. All I had today was a bagel and like a piece of salad that Lisa gave me. So now I'm like, I don't know what I'm gonna eat my own face.
I'm gonna make this the full screen since this is basically gonna be the stream is just me and you.
I've been making fried chicken for like the whole Christmas week. Every day I've been eating fried chicken, and now I'm going like cold turkey off all of the food.
Can I hide this?
This is gonna be a fucking nightmare.
Hide the thing in the corner for you?
I don't know. It's fine. Oh yeah, now it's hit.
Oh, okay, that's cool. I can control this.
I need to get used to the delay.
I can go like this. I can just be like just me, and then I can go back to this, and I can like turn this back on.
You're too excited about the video options.
I'm impressed that this even works.
It works cool. It's good. I mean, wait. So you're recording this?
Yeah.
Let's talk about the bike app.
Sure.
Can you fucking tell me from beginning to end what you wanted to do? I think that's the most important part.
I want to be able to stop on my bike and take a picture of a car with a license plate and auto, character recognize the license plate, so it'll turn into text, so I can store that in a database, and then we can start tracking like if the same license plate comes up multiple times. Take pictures, maybe multiple pictures, maybe optionally add a description, like be like, this is the asshole parking in the handicap spot. And then also geolocation, so that can be automatic based on your camera will have the geolocation, and then that'll place it on a map. And then I want to have like a when you go to the app, yeah, if you go to the app when you're not on the street, you can do stuff like look at the map and analyze data and see like my map and show like all the hot spots of where people are like, parking in the bike lane and stuff. Maybe that could be used by, city planners to make decisions or police. I don't really give a fuck what the police do, but maybe they do something good with that. But I want to balance the tightrope of like I don't want it to be a surveillance device, but it sort of is a surveillance device. So, we got to like thread that needle of like we're not basically enabling people to like stalk other people.
This is sort of what it is. Like, I mean, stopping abuse is like a different kind of one that like you should probably not touch until you have the basic functionality working.
Yeah, but that's like the tricky privacy part. Like, I want it to be focused on like not just bike lanes, but like street safety. Like that car in Richmond and Yonge just flipped the other day and killed somebody. Right? They were just walking down on the sidewalk and they died. So stuff like that. It's like let's capture that somehow. Just generally capture like what the fuck's going on in the street, but then not use it for other stuff.
Document like the most dangerous shit. Like, for example, when I'm riding a bike, like, I know there's that part on, like, College and, like, Lansdowne where the streetcar tracks are so wide.
Yeah.
I've seen several people place plan.
I
did it.
I've gone over my handlebars so many times on Adelaide because of those old streetcar tracks.
And, like, I remember Jesse broke his face once and he fell over there and he just stopped biking since then, basically.
Yeah, so I want it to not just be license plates of parking in the bike lane, but stuff like that, too. It'd be like, this is, like, a dangerous part of the road. Like, it's, like, fucked up. And just take a picture of it and be like, watch out here.
So, okay, let's just go through, like, the shitty, just, lack of a better term, just UX.
Well, yeah, I think I've got a lot of this stuff kind of already figured out. Let me find where that is.
I know, you had that shit done, right?
Where was the bike thing? Oh, maybe the bike thing's on it. Oh, that's probably in my other fucking... Maybe it's in here. No, that's not it.
Yeah.
Vault projects. What did we call it?
You have that...
Safe roads?
It had a name.
Maybe it just didn't have a name.
No, it had a good name. We came up with a name.
I forget. I think this is just what I called it for now.
No. It had a name, because otherwise I wouldn't make a logo for it.
What is this? Oh, this is some other, like, older version of it, I think. Oh, no, Road Report or something like that. Yeah.
Something like that.
Yeah, Road Report. I think this is it.
Yeah, Road Report. I found the logo I made, and it says Road Report.
Yeah, it's like here. Road Report.
Okay.
But yeah, no, I have some docs in here. Oh yeah, I made this pitch thing. Yeah, it's like I already did all this.
Yeah, you already did like most of the work, right? I just need to
fuck? Why do I have to search the App Store? It's a fucking RTF.
What?
Like, use the text.
That's some Microsoft shit when it's like telling you to go to their fucking ecosystem.
No, it's like this
money.
Is the app. Just fucking open it. Like, it doesn't even render. What the hell is it like corrupt? Oh, it's corrupted. It's like 0 bytes. Cool.
What? That's not cool. That's not cool at all. That means all of the work is gone.
Yep. Yeah, there's like all of this is gone.
Did you just copy it over?
Well, I have it on another computer. I think it just didn't sync onto my backup properly. I have to go.
You don't have it on a G drive?
Well, yeah, no. I've got a whole bunch of. I've got a whole closet of external hard drives. I gotta go find the one that it's on. It's on my other computer. Oh, that sucks.
Why? Just let's put it on the Google Drive right now. Like.
No, I have a sync drive. I'm using sync.com. But I'm just saying, like, I think I probably started copying this and it just didn't finish, so it's like it just has the file name. But yeah, no, I have some stuff. Like I have. Why don't I just open this in my code editor?
Just do whatever.
So there's some stuff here. So like this is the raw idea. It's like capture stuff. So get pictures of dangerous stuff, license plate, GPS, date, category. Like that's another thing too. Like maybe if it's like a commercial offender, like Purolator, FedEx, Canada Post, we can like call them out on that. Actually calling them out on social media does have an impact. They don't like that, so they actually change their behavior.
Yeah. This is the kind of thing that people do go on Reddit and they post every day. today has been blah 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 blah.
Yeah. And this
Right?
can like
It'd be nice to make a
automatically hook up to stuff
Yeah,
like the Twitter and stuff. So every time you do an entry in our app, it'll also make a post on Twitter on our Twitter account and say like candidate post, go fuck yourself, that sort of thing.
I think it should be like a daily thing, so it doesn't like spam.
Oh no, we'll have a
subscribe
Twitter
to this-
account dedicated to this app, and it'll just be people can follow this app and be like, yeah, these are all the assholes. But then that could be the report, so you can give citizens and city officials insights into like making better decisions of data driven blah blah blah. You can see stuff on maps, see stuff on graphs and charts.
I'm just saying, I have this like I subscribe to the Toronto subreddit, right?
Yeah.
And what I like about it is that it has daily COVID reports, right? So it's like every morning, like somebody made an app that just does this kind of shit.
Oh, you posted
Is it
this
an app?
in.
No. It's just like it just links to a PDF, but I'm sure like. But it's just like this is one of like this is a popular post. Right?
Oh yeah, I'm thinking more like
It's this kind of shit.
there's
And
like
I know you're saying that there's a Twitter that just sends.
oh, what the fuck was that called? I forgot. It's like bike report or something.
Yeah.
I can't remember. There's this one. There's one that's in New York. It's like very close to what I want to do. What the fuck was it called?
Bike lane.
Bike. I don't know. Lane, New York. I don't remember. Maybe I should look at my follow. I don't know. Maybe I won't do that on stream. But anyway, yeah, there's one that does it in New York, and it's kind of cool because in New York they can actually there's an API to the police database, so they can actually take a license plate, go to the police database, and they can see all of the offenses that they've had in the police database, and they put that on the tweet, which is kind of cool.
Not immediate. Like it'd be nice to do it later, but let's.
Oh yeah, that's not important, but it's just kind of cool. It's like, yeah, you can see like this guy has already paid like $10,000 in fines this year, and it's like, yeah, he's a super asshole.
Let's just. All I wanted to do is go screen by screen with what.
Yeah. So these are all the screens. So it's like I don't know. Well, I want to have a screen of like explaining stuff, like a place where you can like share things to different people. Multi-city. We won't worry about that right now. We'll just worry about one city like Toronto for now. Web app, no installation. Like I think that's better. It's like you don't need anything. All you do is go to URL on your phone. And you're good to go. And it'd be cool to integrate with other things if we can. That's like optional.
Later. Okay.
Yeah.
So what's the most let's just talk for the most basic, stupidest fucking version of it.
Yeah. So this is just kind of the raw idea. So that's just all the stuff I want to do. But then this is kind of more like what we'll actually do. So we'll actually do this capture.
Yeah. Okay.
So like we'll capture stuff. That's like just taking a picture and like whatever. A report. We'll have like a map and maybe a top 10 list of the most dangerous, most wanted kind of assholes. And then inform, which will be just like there'll be an about page and a FAQ or something, like just something to be like street safety education. And that's it. That's the MVP.
Oh, capture screen, report screen, and inform screen. Right?
Yeah. So here's like the idea. So you have like a home page, that says like what it is. It's like the marketing page. It's like what is this and why do I want it?
Yeah.
Then there'll be a report page. That'll be like kind of where it'll show your camera like view and you'll like take a picture of it and like type something in maybe. There'll be like a map page that shows a map of like different stuff on the map, an insight page with like a list and some graph, and then an about page. That's it. Those are all the pages. Safe lanes. This is one of the things I was inspired by.
Safe lanes, right. You told me about this.
Yeah, I don't want to do exactly like this.
I know.
Something like that. But that's basically it. But like something like this, but not just bike lanes. Like it'd be cool if it was just like safe streets. Like it's just like like you said, like streetcar tracks, ruts, and like potholes or whatever. Like maybe a truck is always turning right on the sidewalk and running over the sidewalk. Like that's kind of dangerous. Stuff like that. And then so you have like a map with some kind of stuff on it, like that sort of thing.
That's already done. I just need to make a
different
version.
This is not the greatest, and I think we could do it. We could do it for Toronto, which doesn't exist, and we could do a better design, and I think we can do different kinds of features. But this is basically kind of what we want to do, and like I think That's doable.
very good. Like it's not, it doesn't look incredible, but it also is super functional.
Yeah, but we can make that. We can make it. If we make it, then we have full control. We can manipulate it and change it into something different. Like we'll start from here, but it'll turn into something else.
Let me just write safe lanes into my fucking sticky notes.
Yeah.
I can just go through the design and give you the design, and then you.
Well, I already. I'll have to find this pitch thing. This has more details and sketches that we already did this. But yeah, these
Yeah,
are.
no, I remember we did it once, and then I forgot.
Yeah.
I just really like this idea because you can probably barf it out in a weekend if you wanted to.
No,
Like,
it's a little more complicated than that, but.
No, I mean, I don't mean like a version that would do everything. I just mean a version that would kind of be there, and then you.
Yeah, like I would start the MVP. I think I would start with just the capture screen. Like it would just be like if we can make this report page work. I think that's like 80% of the app.
Yeah. The rest of it is just pretty shit.
Well, I mean, it's kind of sucks if you capture it, but then nothing happens with it. So it is kind of nice to have some kind of like view page or something, or some way of viewing the data.
So capture page, and then there should be like view, like.
I think we should start with this. We start with just something that's like the top 10 most wanted or most dangerous. Like that's just easy. It's just like we don't have to show all the data. We just show the top 10. That'd be an easy thing to start with. It's not. Eventually, we'll do more, but that's just the start.
I can do pagination, right? Just 10.
No, I know, but it's just like let's not worry about it. That's just more complexity. Let's just do 10. We'll do like you can take a picture and you see the top 10 streets and there's an about page and that's it. And that's the beginning.
I'm just thinking the big part of this thing is the database, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's going to be your big.
Well, this map and plotting stuff on the map and then showing like graphs and stuff. I think that's like the best value. But like we don't have to start there. We can actually start using the app if we have this. At least we can start collecting data. I already have like a whole bunch of photos in my phone of stuff. I already started collecting a whole bunch of pictures, so I already have a whole bunch of stuff that we can start from.
I have a. Should you be able to report stuff without having a picture?
I don't know. It's kind of nice to have a picture because otherwise, it's just like people just typing random shit in the app. It's like, it'd be nice to have a picture and be like, oh yeah, that's a real thing.
Oh God, I just realized something. There's gonna be dick pics in this, aren't there?
Well, that's we have to like think about how to moderate that. Like maybe that means we have to have a login so that we can ban people, right? Like if you're abusing it, you get banned. So it's not just like open to the public where a bot could just post stuff, right?
How does safe lane works? There's a login, isn't there?
Probably. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, they probably have a login. Insights about cities. Yeah, I don't know how you take a picture.
I think we met up about this like. Maybe a year ago? No, that was like right when COVID was starting out. It was a couple years ago.
See, because this is only for San Francisco.
Oh,
I have like location blocked. I don't think you need a login for this, but yeah, I mean that's just like you can solve that problem in different ways. They're using OpenStreetMaps too, which is kind of cool. I think that's what we should use. But yeah, I don't want to get too involved. Like the map part is like complicated. That'll take you can get really deep in the rabbit hole of making the map look pretty. I don't want to get into that right away. I just want to get into like let's just somehow take a picture. Like even that alone is like most of the work is this. Like how do you take a picture from the browser, have the person give access to the camera to the browser, then upload the file and save it into a database somewhere and sort it all out. That's like a lot of work. So I want to like focus on that. That's the core.
Okay.
And then we need like this page actually. Like this is kind of more not a lot of hard programming, but it's a lot of design. So that might be maybe something you could focus on more while I do this part.
Yeah. Can you send all of this to me somehow?
Yeah, I'll send it to you when I have like this actually has a lot of the actual details and it's on my other computer. But yeah, I'll get that to you. That would probably make more sense. And then yeah, if you did like maybe something like you did the homepage while I did this report like programming upload whatever, because this will be like using the logo and setting the tone and the style and like whatever like.
Well, because like this needs the style guide, right? But like the style guide is supposed to be super simple.
Yeah.
Like it's not. There shouldn't be anything crazy.
Well, like we already even did some sketches. Like I don't know, is there a thing I can sketch easily?
Did something.
What's something I can
Eh.
sketch in? Is this? I have this Affinity Photo and Designer now instead of. Whoa, that opens so fast on this computer. Cool.
I would tell you like the M1. I guess it's fine. NTA. I'm using Clip Studio. I really like it, but yeah.
But yeah, like we already have sketches for this, but like the app was something like you have the app and it had like this kind of like menu like this where it's like this is take a picture and then there's like 4 buttons or something like this. And then this was like the street.
Yeah.
Go or whatever.
Mm.
Then it's just like a big interface where it's just like press the button and take a picture, and then but you can like click on these buttons to go to other screens if you want to.
The question is like, if it goes to the, I think we had this conversation before too. I'm just trying to remember the talk we had about this. Like it goes, like because you connect it to the phone camera immediately, right? So does it go to the phone interface?
The phone?
Like for the
no.
camera
Well, I
that comes
mean,
with the phone?
you can
do you, like,
make your web app
override it?
talk to the phone API, so it like the phone photo thing can be like in your app. It's not like you have to go to the photo app. But I want it to work both ways. I want it to be like because like I've already taken a bunch of pictures in my phone. I want it to be able to like I can also just upload a picture too. If I've like already taken the picture, I can use my camera independently and then just upload it, or I can come home at the end of the day and upload
Actually,
it.
there's a lot of permissions here. Like the phone immediately needs to be like, can I access to your, like, how it does with all these apps.
Well, that's another reason to have a login. If you log in and you identify yourself, and you only have to accept it once, and then you just like no.
You do it once. You basically have to have a login. So let's just do that.
Well, I mean that's pretty standard. I just don't want it to be too much of a barrier to start using it. But I don't know. I don't think that's that big of a deal.
You can't avoid it.
You can log in once and it'll stay active. Like I can make the token last for like a week. So like maybe once a week you have to refresh your token. Like, but you can basically be logged in for a whole week.
Well, I mean, like my Tangerine like bank app, I logged into it once on my phone, and since then I don't have to log in ever.
Well, yeah, you can set the time limit to whatever. There's security concerns. Like it is good to kind of refresh it every once in a while, so it's not you just forget it and maybe some other hacker can access it.
What you should do is you should make it last as long as possible, but inside the app it should just give you a notification. It's like, hey, it's been a while since you logged out. Like, do you want to,
Well, no, it's the case where like you forget that you even have it on your phone, right? And it's just logged in. So you want it to like auto expire every once in a while. But yeah, we can change that. It could be like a month. It could be 2 months.
Like,
whatever.
The first thing I do on my phone is turn off all of the notifications from for all the apps because I fucking hate them.
Yeah.
Ugh.
Yeah, no, I don't want an app that has all these like bullshit notifications. I hate that.
So it's like, this is kind of for you to figure out, but basically, if you haven't opened an app, then it should automatically log you out like after a certain time. But if
it's a browser thing, right? Like you can close your browser and come back to the website, and you'll just be logged in. And like and these are all just settings. We can adjust it to whatever we want. It could have like every day or every week or every year, whatever.
I don't know why I'm talking about this. This is not even that important, but it's kind of yeah.
No, yeah, there are things to consider, but these are all adjustable, so it's not like I'm not worried about that.
I'm just thinking like, because this is a design that needs to be done, right? The design of the page where you take the stupid picture,
yeah,
right? And then there's a design of like in Safe Lanes they actually like, it's like a kids app. You click on a different type of a thing that you've encountered, so we should probably do that. That's a bunch of nice illustrations you could do, right?
Yeah, I'm excited to see what we can do with like animation and stuff because I've never had someone like you who can actually make cool animations.
Yeah, we're gonna use Loti.
You use what? Loki?
Loti, it's called Loti.
Loti?
Or, yeah.
I don't know what that is.
It's an After Effects plugin for JavaScript. That's what everyone uses now.
Really?
Yeah,
Loti, like this?
thing. Lottie. Just type in Loti, double TIE. There you go.
Where's examples? This is like.
Just don't look here. Look up on the image
boring.
search or something, or YouTube or something. Don't look at like this disgusting library thing. That's boring and horrible.
Okay, that's pretty boring.
Oh god, it's boring.
But yeah, stuff like this, where it's like
It animates
stuff.
SVGs, right? So you make an animation in After Effects, and it exports into an SVG animation. It's really low. Like it's tiny because it's all fucking code.
Yeah.
And then you just.
Well, yeah, but like that's what I'm thinking. Like, like little stupid things like this, like that'll just kind of make it feel fun.
Yeah. This dumb shit.
But like you know how to like think about like moving things. Like I don't. I'm just like I can't. I can barely even think of icons. But you could think of like, oh yeah, it'd be cool if it did that.
This is the second pass, right? The first pass is all still frames.
Yeah.
The second pass is when you make it.
Yeah, but it's just like that's something I'm not good at. Like even just coming up with an icon, I'm not good at, and then thinking about like, oh, how does this icon move? It's like I don't know, but yeah, that's what you're good at.
Yeah, that's the only skill set that I can bring to this. Essentially,
no, but that's like a big part that will make the app special. Like it'll stand out from all these other apps, like the street safe lanes or whatever. So that'll be cool.
I'm not like I just think the idea is good. I'm not even like.
No, I think it's like it's a small enough scope. It's doable. It's like we can do it with a small 2-person team, and there we can beat all the competition. Like if Safe Lanes is the competition, it's like we can do better than that. Like this isn't that bad.
Well,
like
also,
it's okay.
You can scale it, right? Like Safe Lanes is it open source?
No, I don't know, maybe part of it, but it doesn't matter. It's not that complicated code. But then the other thing that makes it stand out is there's not anything like this for Toronto specifically. So we'd be the only thing in Toronto. And then once we got Toronto working, we can make it work for wherever.
Wait, I'm kind of. I have time for this now. I don't want to work on any games for a bit. I don't know. I still don't know if I got rejected from my second grant, but if I have, then fuck it. That means I need to do some design portfolio stuff so I can maybe find a different job, and this is kind of perfect for me. Because then I can be like, oh, I work for this company that did this thing, and it's public.
Well, yeah. No, you could say like I made an app, not just like I worked on an app, and be like I made it, like you know, you founded it.
Well, you made the app, and I made it look okay.
No, but you could say you're a founder of a startup. That's what people do. So I don't know.
I'm gonna say it, but it's bullshit.
Well, it's like I made a bunch of NPM packages. Like I could put on my resume. I'm like, on the core development team of open source whatever project, and it's like I'm not lying.
Honestly, I want to make a design portfolio where I will just tell the truth on it. I'll be like, yes, there's lots of words, but what I did was I just drew these things, and I don't like. I want to write like an essay about how people talk about UX, but nobody has any time for testing, and this is what you get, and this is why I did this, and this is like I want to like really like.
More importantly,
do like yeah.
These I just ordered these wheels.
Jesus Christ.
Yes.
Enduro. Well, I'll tell you what I'm excited about.
And I got Onyx hubs. These are like silent. You know how like the bike clicks when you're coasting? This is silent and that makes no click.
On Q3. So I'm excited for this coming out. I'm definitely going to get this. I think everyone should because it looks fucking amazing. I'm gonna recommend it to all my friends.
Why? What is it?
It's a keyboard. What do you think it is?
I have a keyboard. It's my favorite keyboard. It's this one.
Oh yeah.
Look how flat that is. Great. Can you make your keyboard that flat?
I really hope not, because it's gonna make my fingers hurt.
I love it.
Like, do you know what I have? So I have this. This is the highest profile keyboard, right? It has legs.
That's gonna like hurt my wrists. I'm like always typing like this.
Yeah, it's good. And then what else do I have? I have this fucking amazing brick. So this also has like super high profile keyboard, right? Look how high it is.
No, that's
and
too
it
high.
Like weighs like 5 pounds.
I mean, the colors are cool. The weight is cool. Yeah, that's cool.
Look, there's like a thing.
It's just
really
it's just too big.
Well, you can get fat shit, but like those people are perverts like you.
Yeah, but it feels like I'm typing on my desk. It's like it's almost like there's nothing there. I love it.
I know, but you have to hold your hands like this.
No, I don't. My wrists are like on the desk. Like
yeah, that's
like I just like this. Like that's awesome. when I'm typing. I just like
Like
typing like this. I
I've
love
always
it.
been
I'm
honest.
not like all like this.
I,
Like,
I got this vintage keyboard from a long time ago.
oh,
This is what
nice.
they call boomer.
Well,
They call
yeah,
boomer keyboards.
that's like what my dad had. Like we had at
Yeah,
home.
it's a boomer keyboard. I used to have it. Like,
That's not even
when
the
I
worst
visited,
one. The
like,
worst one, I remember my dad worked before they had color. It was just like orange text on black, and they had like the
oh
clicky
yeah, yeah.
keyboard.
The thing is, there's like the layout. See the big ass enter?
Yeah.
So they call it this is the official term, the big ass enter. And then the shift key here is really big. The backspace is really big.
Yeah.
And then this shift is really big. Those layouts are like not available anywhere. It's like hard to find. I like those big keys and stuff. So yeah.
I'm actually really happy with the new Mac laptop because they added all the F keys, like full keys this time, not like little half keys, and they made the escape key like twice as big, so it's like a double key size. It's like great.
You want the keys to be big. This is the thing, right? You want less keys, but the keys you have, you want to be big.
Yeah.
I think that's what like.
Well, yeah, I want that. They should be the size of my finger. Like if my finger doesn't
Yeah.
fit on it, then it's like stupid.
Yeah. Okay, well, I'm excited about this fucking app. Well, by excited, I mean, it's fine. I'll work on it.
Yeah, but it's doable. Like we can do this. This is not like insane.
I was interested in it like 2 years ago when we talked about it. I was like, this is the best idea that I can actually do something with.
Yeah. Then like I got bored or distracted and COVID happened and then I didn't want to do anything.
I started doing game applications again and then COVID.
Yeah.
And then you fucking moved God knows where. But not that it's relevant.
Moved to like beautiful Canada, like country.
I live in beautiful Canada. I keep reading like articles about people coming back to Toronto after moving to beautiful Canada. They're like, oh, it turns out like the gas bill is 4 times as big, even though our house is
we have an electric car. We fill the gas up in the car maybe once every 3 months.
Do you have like a Prius or something?
Yeah, we have a Prius.
Yeah.
It was fucking amazing because like the gas price went up so high, but then like we fill it up like once every 3 months. It's awesome.
That's nice. I don't know. Everyone's gonna move to the moon, and it's just gonna be.
Well, my house is probably gonna burn down next summer because of the forest fires.
Oh, well, you have no trees around you, so it's probably not.
Well, who knows?
Like it's like I thought you were gonna be in the middle of the forest. You showed me those pictures, and I'm like, there's just like 4 mansions on the side, and there's no trees.
It's the leftovers of the forest after the last fire.
Yeah, it's burned to shit.
But that fucking fire in Denver just fucking destroyed a whole bunch of houses in the middle of winter. Like that's fucked up.
Oh yeah.
Did you see that? It was like
I don't know.
it was like 500 homes or something, just like totally burned to the ground.
My house is never gonna burn because there's no green around it.
Yeah.
There's just cement everywhere. And just, like the homeless people are gonna burn.
Oh my god, I love not hearing fucking sirens all day. It's so nice.
Yeah, that was your big thing living. Well, to be fair, you were in the shit kind of location a little bit.
Well, you probably have it. Well, like Queen Street's probably worse than Richmond, but yeah, I could hear the fucking sirens all the way to Mississauga. It's so fucking annoying.
Yeah, I'm okay. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah, right. Let's check in again, and I'll get something done by next Monday because I'm gonna just take a weekend to work on it. I think.
Okay.
And then you can actually maybe I'll do it in Figma so you can grab it directly from there.
Oh man, we have to use Figma. That makes
I
sense.
want to use Figma to get better at it.
Okay.
Yeah,
that's fine.
It's literally like this is my to-do project, right? Like it's your app, and it's like it's a good idea, but design this is like I need to do some design stuff.
Yeah, that's cool.
I can
Do what you gotta do. Let's touch back on Monday then. That sounds like a good plan. I can have something going on by Monday.
You don't have to do anything.
I can make some basic code stuff. I already have some code stuff. I just gotta dig it up from wherever the hell it is. I think maybe some of it's even in here. I don't know.
Okay. I'll do some screens, and then you can be like, "This is not the screens we need."
See, like I did some code.
We can use.
Oh man, I even started making like a Docker file and stuff. What the fuck? I don't even know what's in here.
YAML.
Oh, these are all like, oh, some of them work. I made like a fucking CloudFormation template. Oh my god, that's like way too crazy. Yeah, I'm not gonna use cloud. We're not gonna use AWS. We're gonna use DigitalOcean. It's way better.
It is.
And
Okay.
it's also
I
not
don't.
owned by fucking sleazebag.
By Amazon?
Did you see that
100%
latest
owned by
photo
Sleazebags.
of him? He looks like a fucking low XP GTA mission guy. What's his name?
Is it?
Bezos heart glass. I don't know what the source. He had this like latest photo of him. It looks like so bad. Yeah, like this. Look at that.
Every time I see him, all I can hear is that Jeffrey Bezos song.
Well, this is like this is like GTA.
Oh
It's
my
like this is
god!
he's gonna give you your next mission for like 2 XP.
Yeah, he's like in the shitty. What is happening? This is holy motherfucker.
Yeah, so I'm not gonna
How
use
is
his
this?
shit.
What is this thing?
Yeah, I don't know.
This, how can you have $1 billion and be such a lowlife?
Oh man, I made a bunch of stuff in here. I think.
Like, it looks like Leisure Suit Larry that got all the STDs.
App container, file uploader. Oh, I already started making some of this. I think it already hooks up to a backend too. Here's a server.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, see, like I already got a bunch of stuff working. Okay, like we're not like doing too bad.
Okay. I think the goal is, after I do some design, we should just make sure that like you can take a picture and save it. That's all. Like, it doesn't have to be like.
Yeah. That's my first goal. Is just that.
If you can take a picture and save it, that's like half the app.
I think
Like,
that's
the
what
rest
I
of the
was
rest,
doing. Like that's what I've got here. It's like some kind of thing to like upload. You can drag and drop a file onto the browser and it like uploads it. I think that already works. The part that doesn't work is I didn't hook it up to the phone API, so you can't like take a picture in the app, but you can like take a picture outside the app and then put it into the app.
Well, I guess you can work on the phone hooking up part, but like, cause that's difficult, isn't it? Because all the phones are different.
No, it's just a browser API. There's like a phone. There's like a camera API thing. But I mean, we'll start simple. We'll start by just take a picture, however the fuck you want to take a picture, and then you just put it into the app. So any phone and any computer can do that. So this will be like the basic version.
All right, let's do this. And I'm gonna go back to work now because I've been idiots.
Oh my god, the syntax highlighting sucks so bad. Like,
All right,
why is this all white?
I need to do work. I'm gonna go away now.
All right, I'm gonna end the stream.
Yeah.
Good for a stream. This is kind of cool. It's like something is happening.
I wanna try and record some podcasts actually, or like Twitch streams or something. Like, it'd be nice. I think I need to start like, just like as a discipline thing. Maybe if I'm like working on a game, I need to start like recording my sessions, talking to people about this.
Yeah, that's what I wanted to do. Like, I was thinking about making blog posts. I'm like, I don't know, why don't I just like actually do work and I'll just like talk to myself.
Well, you can have a blog that just like puts your Twitch streams links in there. That's all you need to do.
Yeah, well, I mean, I'll make a YouTube channel. I'll put like edited versions of my work session in
Don't give yourself more work. Don't edit anything. Why bother?
No, I mean just basic stuff. I'll just take like a 4-hour session and I'll just like chop out all the parts where I'm just sitting there like my thumb up my nose.
Yeah. All right. Cool.
Oh wait! Before you go on the Twitch stream, type something in the chat. I want to see what happens. No, not in Discord. In the Twitch chat.
Oh, Twitch chat.
Oh, yeah, it did something. Let's see.
I can see it on the screen.
Okay, I guess it works. Good first test. Now we'll see what the recording looks like.
All right.
All right. Later.
Bye.
Bye.